Family photo frame. It was Sunday, so Gattu and Chinky were playing games on Papa's phone. Papa was reading a newspaper.
You have been playing for so long, Chinky. Now it's my turn. Wait, Kattu. Only 5 minutes more. I'm about to reach the next level.
Mummy returned from the balcony. She had some beautiful flowers in her hand.
Look here. How am I looking?
Mummy had put some lovely flowers from their balcony in her hair.
Wow, Mummy. You are looking very beautiful. Yes, Mummy. You are looking very pretty. Oh, idea. Mummy, just stay like that. I will snap your photo from Papa's mobile.
Why not? After all, your mummy is looking so beautiful today. She deserves a nice photo.
Alright, Gattu. Let me pose for you.
Gattu started clicking mummy's beautiful photos.
Hey, wait. I also want to have a nice photo with Mummy.
Saying this, Chinky also stood next to Mummy.
Please give me a flower. Sure, Chinky. Take this.
Mummy put a small but pretty flower in Chinky's hair. Then Chinky and Mummy started posing for photos. Oh, what a scene! Both are giving nice poses. Wow!
See, these photos are so nice. Oh yes, Kattu, you're right. These photos are really very good. If these photos are so beautiful, then we should take a family photo together. What do you think?
Yes, this is a brilliant idea. Come on, let's take a family photo together.
Wait, let me keep the camera on the table and set the timer. Everyone say cheese!
Cheese!
Look at this. This family photo is so nice. Yes, it is really very pretty. Mummy, Papa, Gattu, I have one more idea. I think we should frame this family photo in a cute frame and hang it somewhere in our house.
Yes, Chinky. I was going to suggest the same thing. So let's frame it. I have a holiday today. So in the evening, I will have this photo framed.
Gattu, Chinky, till then, both of you decide where should we hang this frame. Okay, Mummy.
Then they started doing their work.
Chinky, we don't have to think very hard. It will look the best in the drawing room only. Hey, how could you say it is best? Mummy had told both of us to decide the place for it. So how can you decide the best place by yourself? Oh, then you tell me. Which place do you choose? I think that the frame should be in our room only. See, we even have a lot of place for this frame. What are you saying, Chinky? What is the use of hanging this frame in our room? It is a family photo frame and not just our photo frame. No, I don't want to put this photo frame in the drawing room and I don't want to put it in our room.
Gattu and Chinky started fighting with each other over the place for photo frame.
Hey, calm down, guys. What are you doing? Why are you fighting over such a small matter? Why don't you guys decide it calmly? There is no need to fight.
Gattu and Chinky were still angry with each other. Then Papa says, "So kids, I am going to get this photo framed. By that time, both of you should decide where to hang this frame, okay?"
Okay, Papa.
After a long time, Papa returned with the photo frame. Come on guys, let's see how this photo looks after we framed it. Then Papa took the photo frame out of the box and kept it on the table.
Wow, our family picture looks so beautiful.
Yes, you're right. So Gattu, Chinky, what have you both decided? Where should we hang the frame?
What are you asking? They have not yet decided the place for this photo. They were just fighting.
Guys, didn't I tell you to find a nice place for this photo before I came? Now tell me, what should we do?
I can't decide where to hang this photo, Papa. You suggest something.
See, we started all this because Mummy wanted to take a photo. So I think we should let Mummy decide where to hang this photo frame.
Yes, Papa, this is the best idea. Mummy, please tell us where this frame will go.
After hearing this, Mummy started thinking.
So if you ask me, I think the photo frame should be hung in the entrance lobby of our home. Everyone who enters our home will first see our family's lovely photo. Wow, Mummy, what an idea. Yes, Mummy, I agree with you too. Why didn't I think about it? Even I did not think about it, Chinky.
And that is why mummy is the boss of our house.
Thank you, dear. So let's hang the frame now. I will go and get the nails and hammer, okay?
Mummy brought all the necessary tools and gave them to Papa. Chinky also ran inside and brought a piece of cloth for dusting.
What happened, Chinky? Why did you bring this dusting cloth? Mummy, when Papa hangs the frame, I will clean it with a duster and will keep it clean every day. Oh, very good, Chinky.
Kids, stay back. I'm going to hang the frame on the wall. You should be careful not to hurt yourself.
Okay, Papa.
Then Papa hanged the frame on the wall. Really, this place is perfect for our family photo.
Yes, Mummy, your idea is the best. Kids, after all, your mummy is the best.
Hearing this, they all started laughing together. And in this way, Gattu and Chinky had a new family photo frame in their home. Mummy Papa's shopping. One of Mummy's close friends' birthday was coming and she had invited everyone. Gattu Chinky were very excited.
Wow, Mummy, after so many days, we are going to enjoy someone's birthday party. It's going to be so much fun. Yes, Gattu dear. Mummy, have you seen the invitation card? It is written that the theme of the party is Bollywood style. What? What's that? What kind of theme is it? Oh, Mummy, at this party, everyone wears Bollywood style dresses and then they dance to Bollywood songs. Wow, it's gonna be a very interesting party.
Then Gattu and Chinky started thinking about what dress they will wear.
Gattu, I am going to wear the top that matches with Anushka Sharma's top which she wore in a movie. And after that, I will make same hairstyle like her. Chinky, I am going to wear a t-shirt and bracelet like Salman Khan. Of course, Gattu, you will rock in it. Wait a minute. Mummy, what about you? What should I do? I think I will wear any sari. Oh, come on, Mummy. It's a Bollywood theme party. How can you wear anything to this party?
Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
By then, Papa also came home and Gattu Chinky told him everything.
Papa, what are you going to wear for this party?
Chinky dear, I will also wear something just like your mummy because I don't know where I can get Bollywood style clothes. Gattu and Chinky looked at each other and signed something. Mummy and Papa did not understand what happened and they stopped talking about it. Then they had their dinner and went to sleep. But the next day, Gattu and Chinky got ready early in the morning according to their plan to go to shopping along with Mummy and Papa.
Guys, why are you being so stubborn today?
Yes, Gattu Chinky, let it go.
No. Both of you have to go on shopping with us. She is right. We are not going to listen. You have to come.
At last, Mummy and Papa gave in and agreed to go to shopping in the evening along with Gattu and Chinky. Gattu and Chinky were very happy that they won.
So tell us, Mummy, Papa, with what do you want to start your shopping with?
How about we buy a dress for Mummy first? After that, we will try to find a nice shirt for me.
No, not a shirt, Papa. You should buy a cool black t-shirt. He is right, Papa. You will look like a Bollywood hero.
Okay, why not, dear? Let's go and see.
So, if Papa is going to wear a black t-shirt, then we should buy a black sari for Mummy too. Shouldn't we? Yes, you are absolutely right, Chinky. Alright then, come. Let's start our mission shopping.
Then Gattu, Chinky and Mummy Papa went to all the shops one by one. At one shop, Gattu saw lots of t-shirts and he got an idea.
Papa, I was thinking, why don't you start wearing t-shirts? Yes, Papa. Gattu is right. You know, t-shirts are very comfortable to wear and they are trendy too.
Really? Alright then. I will give it a try, dear.
Mummy, why don't you start wearing kurtis instead of saris? I'm sure you will love it. Okay then. We will see some kurtis and t-shirts along with our main shopping. If I like them, I will buy it. Okay?
It looks like Gattu Chinky are planning to change our style completely. Then Gattu, Chinky and Mummy Papa started shopping.
I don't think this collection of t-shirts is good enough. Let's go and try in some other shop. You are right. They don't have black dresses nor kurtis.
After searching in many shops, finally Gattu and Chinky found a nice t-shirt for Papa. But they couldn't find a dress and kurti for Mummy.
Oh no, this is very bad. We have searched whole mall, but still we haven't found a nice dress for Mummy. It is all right, Chinky dear. Let's do one thing. I will wear my black sari. It will match with Papa's dress too. No, Mummy. Absolutely no. You have to wear a dress.
Okay then, why not buy a dress in some other color?
No, Papa. Then it won't be fun, right? Mummy and your dress won't match with each other.
Finally, they found a shop where they found a nice kurti, and Mummy selected 3-4 kurtis for her. When Mummy tried these kurtis, Gattu, Chinky and Papa praised her a lot.
Mummy, you're looking very beautiful. I think you should wear kurtis sometimes, along with sari. Yes! Thank God, finally we got something for Mummy. Yes, now we just have to find a dress. I hope we'll get it soon.
It was night when they were still searching, and by then, they all were very tired.
Guys, now I'm very tired. It's alright if we don't find a black dress.
Yes, kids, we should go home now. Gattu and Chinky were very sad that Mummy didn't find the dress, but they knew that it was too late. So they agreed to it without saying a word.
Don't be sad, dear. I will wear a sari.
Yes, dear, and if you want, I will also wear a shirt with the same color as the sari Mummy is going to wear. Gattu, Chinky were still very sad, and they still nodded their head. Mummy and Papa were not happy either, but there was no other option. That is when Chinky saw a dummy model standing outside a shop, wearing a beautiful black dress. Chinky couldn't contain her excitement after seeing it.
Mummy, Papa, Gattu, look, I found a black dress for Mummy.
They all saw the dress and they loved it very much. Mummy went to the store and tried the dress. She was looking even more beautiful. Let's buy this one. Finally, our shopping is complete.
Papa, I think we deserve an ice cream treat, right?
Yes, this is a big achievement. We have to celebrate it. Then all of them had an ice cream treat and celebrated their shopping completion.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.